Uh-oh. Looks like Peanut Butter got himself stuck.
What you doing? I'm stuck. I got you.
Way to go, Hugbug. I wonder how long Peanut Butter's been down there.
Grassy, Huggy. Turun, Butter. Whoa, Putty. Are you falling that hole? No, Huggy. I was watching. Achoo! Oh, Butter, you got a cold. Too bad you go.
Now that's what I call a snuggle bug.
Eat your sticky soup, Butter. You'll feel all better. Grassy Hugbug. Achoo! You still got the sickies.
Oh,
Hello, Great-Grand Turtle.
greetings, friends. My dearest Peanut Butter. I sense your energy is low.
I got the sickies from the hole.
Oh, come, let us raise your vibration. Get that blood moving. Groovy. Good. That's it. Now, let's wake up that healing energy. Swing, swing-a-loo.
That's it, Hugbug. Swing away those sneezes, Peanut Butter.
Oh, dearest Peanut Butter. Rest. Rest you must. Peace and healing, my child. Macaroni. I think Peanut Butter may need some Ten tea. It's magic.
Great idea. I go find the Tenten for a. Hey. The Tenten for us. This make Butter better. My special Tenten super tea. Perfecto. Here you go, Butter. Sippy, sippy. Tasty. Grassy, Huggy.
There he goes. It's a peanut butter balloon.
Achoo! We need more help to make you better, Butter. Oh no, Huggy! What happened?
Looks like Hugbug has completely exhausted himself. Oh my. Sometimes all you need is a good night's sleep. What a muddy mess. How fun.
What's this, Butter?
Oh, that's a real splasher, Hugbug.
We need a bath, Butter. Yup, Huggy. A real rubber-dubber. Wow, let's bring Lady something special. Got it, Hug. Huh? Yeah. Hey, Lady. Oh, woohoo! Hi. Hey, Lady. Hi, Lady.
Hello, friends. Are you here for a bath?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I love it.
Welcome.
Ready? Toop toop.
Wow.
Oh my, it's almost bath time. Up to the bath you go.
Here we go.
What's that? Doodle.
Come on, little dewdrop. Ooh, almost there.
Come on in. The bath is ready.
Ready, Butter? Ready, Hugbug.
Rub-a-dub-dub, friends. Wash off all the mud.
Relaxing. Yumma. That looks fun. Huh? Duh. Come on in. Yeah, washa. Don't mind if I do.
Nothing like a nice, relaxing soak in the tub.
This is nice. Is that you, Hug? Huh? It's not me, Butter. Dog? Not me either. Huh? Muffy Bubbles. Hi, Muffy Wuffy.
Wow! Muffy's creating a whirlpool. Everyone loves bath time.
Hot leaf. One for you and one for you.
Wow, baby. Beautiful.
That is magnificent, lady. You make the most wonderful bath. Everyone's looking fresh. What a wonderful day at the bath.